Charmaine Huertas, the Senior Director of Global Training here at Younique. And I'm so excited to talk to you about this new addition to the Younique Royalty Mask line, the Younique Royalty Brightening Mask. This mask was formulated with special ingredients to improve and even the appearance of your skin tone and minimize the appearance of your pores. This means that your skin will feel softer and look more radiant. We're being honest when we say you'll truly feel like you struck gold with this mask. The Younique Royalty Brightening Mask is Younique's first peel-off mask, which means a no-mess removal. So how well does the mask work? Well, 87% of users found improved skin clarity and brighter looking complexion. 91% noted that their skin appeared healthier. Now, let's talk about how to use the mask. Start with a clean face. Any of our Younique Royalty cleansers are a great choice to wash your face. Use the Younique applicator or your fingers to apply the mask. Personally, I like to use the Younique applicator because it keeps my fingers clean. Apply a thin, even layer of the mask to your face. Allow the mask to dry for 10 to 15 minutes or until it's completely dry. While the mask is drying, why not take care of your lashes and lips by applying the Moodstruck Esteem Lash Serum and the Moodstruck Lip Exfoliator. The drying time can be put to good use. After the mask is completely dry, begin at the sides of your face and gently peel off the mask. There you have it. Now you know not only how to use the Younique Royalty Brightening Mask, but you know all the amazing benefits that these products will bring to your skin. Remember, to finish off any skincare regimen, apply one of our Younique Royalty moisturizers. If you have any other skincare tips, share them with us on social media. See you later.